Well, we're getting the roof fixed. So stop all the leaks. There's our solar panels. There's a worker up there. Sealing the, I don't know what you call it. But yeah, but he's sealing up all the leaks after the typhoon. Anyway, he's doing a good job too by the look of it. Busy day today. We've been doing the walls, plastering the walls with cement. There's Jetty fixing the cement. There's Basang creeping by. We're also cleaning out the grocery store. We put down a Davies power floor. It's epoxy acrylic. It's 8 litres. We've got to buy another couple of cans to finish it off. Yeah, we've moved everything over there. Afternoon. Say hello to the camera. Cleaning all the shelves. Ripped up all the old flooring. And yeah, Nucopia groceries and hardware. There's our hardware store. Thanks for watching. We just got a load of gravel. 10-wheeler load of gravel. We got another one coming in. One there and another one coming in. First 2 of 5. There's Jetty directing traffic.